Hello everyone, it's my 5th video of the day and I don't have a clever introduction. We're going to be talking about the topic Introduction to Using Substitution to Solve a Linear Equation. I'm going to show you solutions through the algebraic method as well as the super slick secret squirrel Desmos graphing calculator method. Let's get into it. I can't. So ALEKS asks us to solve for y. All right, so let's do this in whiteboard algebraically first. Because suffering, I got to solve for y. That means get y by itself, and the only time y is in an equation is over here hanging with x. So this topic involves substitution. So we should probably substitute. So you just take a thing and you say, hey, you substitute. I'm going to say you need to go in where I see that x, because that x is coming out and that 12 is going in. Let me rewrite that the first equation. Y minus x equals 15. But, smarty pants, I know that x is equal to 12. Let me replace my x with 12, since I know that those are equal and I can substitute 12 for x. Yeet. All right, so all I've done is I've taken x and replaced it with its value, 12. So now I have y minus 12 equals 15. Whenever you see an algebraic operation where you need to find the value of a variable, think opposite operation. Got a minus 12 sitting over here on the left side. What I need to do to get rid of that minus 12, I do the opposite operation. I'm going to add 12. But what I do to one side of an equation, I must do to the other. Good news is negative 12 and positive 12 make 0. So y plus 0 is y. And on the right side, 15 plus 12 is 27. So I know that y equals 27. Bing, bang, boom. Now, let me show you this in Desmos. Pretend I forget how to do algebra. Y minus x equals 15. X equals 12. Now, I can't see those things, right? So let's hit our little settings button and let's change our x and y axis so I can actually see the values that I'm looking for. So I need both of those to be at least 15. Okay. Well, let's see where those intersect. So they intersect right here. What's that value? Oh, 27. So when x is 12, y is 27. What were we asked to do? We were asked to find y, and it's 27. It's right there. Oh my gosh. Let's do this one. Y equals x minus 4, and y equals 8. Y equals x minus 4, and y equals 8. Look where they intersect. 12. Now this is the correct solution. I will do it algebraically, but I just wanted to show you that even if you forget everything in terms of the algebraic solutions to these types of equations, you can still find the answers, the solutions, with the Desmos graphing calculator. Let's do it the boring way. I need to solve for x. I see y here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write this first equation. Y equals x minus 4. But I'm going to change my value of y to 8. So let's substitute 8 for y. So y will become 8. Now I need to get x by itself. It's being subtracted by 4, so I'm going to use the opposite operation. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. On the right, plus 4 minus 4 is just the same as adding or subtracting 0, which doesn't change the value of x. On the left, 8 plus 4 is 12. So see, these types of problems are fairly simple to solve with algebra, but they're almost trivialized with Desmos. And you do have access to Desmos on the Ohio State test. So feel free to use all the tools at your disposal. If you remember how to do it algebraically, you can likely do that very quickly on the scrap paper. If you do not remember, don't panic, don't guess. Just find Desmos and let it do the work for you.
They clean the bowl so you don't have to.
All right, hopefully this explanation of how you can use the Desmos graphing calculator as well as whiteboard or physical paper to solve substitution problems involving two variables has been helpful, and that you can use one or both of those methods of solution on your Ohio State test to do better even when you don't remember everything. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.